At Center of Abilities, our fundamental supportive program promotes the values of hard work, dignified lifestyle, environmental health and safety, equality, rights and values, diversity and inclusion. Soleil was glad to share his experiences and difficulties as a French speaker struggling to fit into society for the first time in a country with an English-speaking population.
Et ça fait approximativement 5 à 6 ans que je suis ici au Ghana pour les études universitaires. Bon, j'ai commencé d'abord à apprendre l'anglais quand je suis venu ici dans une école de langue qu'on appelle CEPS, Center of Languages and Professional Studies, là où j'ai eu à apprendre l'anglais pendant 9 mois pour un cursus intensif. Et après, j'ai obtenu mon bachelor of Business Administration à l'université Zenith University College pendant 4 ans d'études. Et pratiquement, au fait, je suis plus focalisé dans ce qu'on appelle la gestion informatique des entreprises.
After participating in the Fundamental Supportive Program, he now understands his community rights and values as a member of the community and the importance of diversity and inclusion.
Actually was having a landlady. She was super great with us. She used to tell me, speak English, speak English, speak English. So it was really great with them. It is also one of the main advantage I had to quickly pick up with the English, because I wasn't having much Francophone friends. I think our communication just stops after class, because I always come home, and when I come home till the following day, I am surrounded by Ghanaians, Anglophone. I also had some difficult moments, some really difficult moments. Here was also sometimes my landlords trying to prevent me from having visitors, and then he basically used to threaten me, that I would sack you, I would give you your money, so. And then things got a little bit serious, and then maybe, if I could say, a little bit out of hand. He started threatening me to take me to police and all that. Why would I talk to him like this? I'm in his house, and then during those few days, it was really tough for me hearing the fact that he would take me to police station, and then I was like, I'm not a Ghanaian who would assist me here, and all those staffs who would talk on my behalf and all this. So because I wasn't feeling secured and confident enough, so I did not want to actually take any action. I think I even left 2 months prior to the end of my rent. I left the place because I was able to get a new place, and I felt like I could actually continue my studies and my.
He expressed his gratitude to the Center of Abilities for providing the training he needed under the Fundamental Supportive Program.
Center of Abilities pour cette initiative vraiment formidable de nous avoir accordé la chance de participer à ce programme, et aussi franchement a poussé beaucoup de jeunes aujourd'hui à pouvoir s'exprimer, réclamer leurs droits, aussi, encourager tous ces jeunes qui ne se sentent pas confidents, qui ont cette manque de confiance en eux. Ce n'est pas vraiment facile pour beaucoup d'étudiants ici quand ils viennent, parce que j'ai eu aussi à passer beaucoup de moments durs ici en tant qu'étudiant, et aujourd'hui j'ai eu la chance de faire un stage et même avoir un boulot ici, mais malgré tout ça, il y a eu des moments difficiles, et il y aura toujours des moments difficiles. que tu sois étranger, que tu sois du pays. Je vous... Vraiment, j'essaie un peu de vous donner une solution qui est là, c'est d'essayer de joindre les gens de Center of Abilities qui seront toujours là pour vous aider à surmonter presque tout challenge, toute difficulté que vous aurez ici en tant que citoyen, en tant qu'étranger, dans les différentes communautés que vous vous trouverez.